Hi everyone. Lecture 1 Mathematics 7th class Triangles and its properties. First of all, I explain about the triangle definition. A triangle is a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. What the triangle definition? A simple closed a simple closed figure made up of three line segments is called a triangle. What triangle definition? A simple closed figure made up of three line segment is called a triangle. Triangle figure is a triangle. I am giving the names A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle. In figure, triangle symbol is A, B, C. A triangle have three vertices. A triangle have how much? Three vertices. Three vertices means A, B and C. Three line segments. Means this line AB1, BC2 and CA3. AB, BC and AC or CA. And what? Three angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. What triangle definition? A simple closed figure made up of three line segments is called a triangle. In figure, triangle ABC. In figure, triangle ABC. Here, a triangle have three vertices. A, B, C is called vertices. Three line segment AB, BC and AC or CA. Three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Triangles are classifying into six types. According to side 3 and according to angles 3. Triangles are classifying into how many types? 6 types. According to sides 3 and according to angles 3. So first, based on the sides. First I take based on sides. Triangles are three types. Based on sides, triangles are three types. First one is equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. First one, equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. See, first one definition, equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. This figure. Equilateral triangle means three sides equal. A, B, C. And AB equal to BC equal to AC. Out right here. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. These two sides are given A, B, C. Here what? AB equal to BC. Only the two sides are equal, isosceles triangle means. And scalene triangle means three sides are not equal, three sides are different. So this figure comes in text. Three sides are not equal means here comes AB not equal to BC not equal to AC. See here, based on sides, triangles are three types. First one is equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. And next one isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal. And third one is scalene triangle, three sides are not equal, three sides are not equal. Next to based on the angles. Next one based on the angles, triangles are again three types. One is acute angle triangle. Next one is obtuse angle triangle. Third one is right angle triangle. First one is what? Acute angle triangle. Based on the angles. Based on the angles. Triangles are again three types. First one, acute angle. Acute angle triangle. Second one, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. And third one, right angled triangle or right angled triangle. Here acute angle triangle means three angles are acute. Three angles are acute means less than 90 degree. Acute angle triangle means three angles are acute means less than 90 degree. This figure less than 90 degree. A, B, C. These angles. This comes 70 and 60. This is take 50. Okay. This is acute angle triangle. Next one, obtuse angle triangle. Any one angle is obtuse. Any one angle is obtuse means one angle is more than 90. One angle is more than 90. Here this figure. Here A, B, C more than 120. This is 30 and this is I am taking 30. Obtuse angle triangle means any one angle is obtuse means more than 90 degree. And next right angle triangle. Any one angle is right angle. Any one angle is right angle. Right angle means any one angle is 90 degree. This figure. Triangle this is. I am giving X, Y, Z. This is 90 degree. See here. Based on the angles, triangles are three types. Acute angle triangle means all three angles are acute means less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle means any one angle is obtuse more than 90. And next to right angle triangle means any one angle is right angle. Any one angle is 90 degree. Next one, median of a triangle. Next topic is median of a triangle. Next topic is median of a triangle. And next one, altitude of a triangle. Next topic, median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. First I draw the figure. First I draw the figure. This is a triangle A, B, C. What median of a triangle is vertex to the opposite side equal. Vertex to the draw one line. Opposite side is equal. Opposite that means the two sides are equal. Suppose the total 4 centimeter means this is 2 and this is 2 centimeter. Here what median of a triangle means vertex to draw the one line opposite side, that line is called the equal. A triangle have three medians. A triangle have three medians. Here 2 and this one and next this one. He also got the equal. So this center is called centroid. The center point is called centroid. The center point is called centroid, denoted by capital G. Denoted by capital G. Next one is altitude of a triangle. Next one, altitude of a triangle. Next one is altitude of a triangle. First I draw the triangle figure. Is X, Y, Z. Triangle. See here, altitude of a triangle means the vertex to draw the one line perpendicular to the opposite side. Draw the one line to the perpendicular to the opposite side. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Here I am taking A. This X A line is perpendicular to the Y and Z. So altitude of a triangle also the triangle have three altitudes. A triangle have three. What is the one, and this is second one B, and this is third one C. Clear? Here median of a triangle means a vertex drawn to the one line opposite side is line called the equal. And next one, altitude of a triangle means a vertex perpendicular drawn to the opposite side. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Next one property, angle sum property. Next is the angle sum property. Angle sum property. Next here, angle sum property means sum of the three angles equal to the 180 degree. Sum of the three angles are equal to the 180 degree. Equal to the 180. I can prove the angle sum property. I draw the one triangle. This is a triangle A, B, C. This I am taking 1, 2, 3. I am constructed here one line. Draw the parallel to the BC. One line, draw the parallel to the BC line. This is taking the X, Y. This I am taking the 4, and this is the 5. This is the parallel to the BC here. In figure, BC parallel to what? X, Y. BC parallel to X, Y. And transversal line. This one I am taking the transversal line. And what AB is the transversal line. AB is a transversal line. So here I am right here, angle 4 equal angle 2. Angle 4 equal angle 2. Why? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. So next one, angle BC equal to XY is the transversal line. AC is the transversal line. AC is a transversal line. So here what? Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Here also alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So is the equation 1 is equation 2. Here 1 plus 2 equation 1 plus equation 2, what comes here? Angle 4 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. Here angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Adding both side angle 1. Adding both sides angle 1. So here angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Here see, this is a straight angle. This is straight angle means here angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to how much? Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal 180 degree. What is the reason? Straight line or straight angle. Straight angle or straight line. Straight line. So what comes here? Both are equal means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals also 180 degree. So means here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal 180 degree. Angle sum property, sum of the three angles are equal to what comes here? Last statement, the sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. So this class, thank you everyone. Next I can explain about the exercise problem.